This was actually a bit of a surprise for me. My husband told me that he received an email from Centrale and he would like to go and have a look. So I thought, yeah, why not? You know, it's really nice out here, and we are actually planning to invest on the property anyway. So yeah, so we just came here.
It's wonderful because I bought Centrale already in North Ryde, so I'm just see what's going on today. Yeah, but today I had a interior designer had a speech and has doing some things and nice music, live music. Yeah.
I'm Brenda. I work here as a sales assistant at Centrale. It's turned out great, and so many people have come here. They seem to be enjoying it. They love our project, the convenience and everything. It just all seems great. There's really great potential in the North Ryde area, so I would really recommend Centrale.
I would like to meeting people here, and I would like to join the workshop, and because I want to know in the future how to design my apartment.
I was here especially for the interior decoration. I really want to see how they do the things differently.
Yeah, I bought the 3-bedroom, the penthouse, and with a big balcony, and I'm very happy with this.
I like the design in the rooms, and it's very simple but very nice.
I love Centrale.